Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Monisha Raj. I hope you are all doing well. So guys, in today's video I've come up with a skincare all. Just one product is a hair care, rest everything is skincare. There's not much of a product, but I really wanted to share because my next video will be based on this video. Actually guys, I've started using chemical exfoliant from past 2-3 months. Actually I can say before that, without knowing what chemical exfoliant is, I have used a BHA product also. So basically it is like from 2 years I can say. So that is without knowing, but with knowing everything, it's been 2 to 3 months I've started using chemical exfoliant. Basically what chemical exfoliant is, you do scrubbing, right? Scrubbing is basically physical exfoliant. You do scrubbing because to take out the dead cells, but in chemical exfoliant you just have to apply a product. It just does it works, it takes out your dead skin cells. So that's what it is. And I'll do a detailed video in my next video about what is chemical exfoliant, what is AHA, BHA, PHA, everything. I was just using really very mild chemical exfoliant. I wanted to use this chemical peel. So, that's why I got this. This is from Dermaco. Chemical peel. This is 30% AHA plus 2% BHA face chemical peeling solution. Guys, don't use this until and unless you are introduced to AHA and BHA products, basically chemical exfoliant product. Don't use it directly. This may affect your skin. If your skin is really into this AHA BHA, then start using this chemical peeling solution. And the packaging is really good. This costs you around $5.99. I've seen many demos, many reviews on this, and later I got this because compared to others it is quite affordable and the review was also good. This is actually all the Dermaco products is actually sulfate free, dye free, paraben free and mineral free. And one more good thing I really loved is they've given the steps you have to follow in skincare and what step you have to use this product in skincare. I really love that, and they've given the clear instruction on how to use these products. It is really good. This comes in a glass box. Actually it is not clear glass, but it is a glass box and you can see the product. This is really fascinating. Please don't buy by seeing the color, you guys. Please see my next video. Later you'll get to know how to use it and when to use it. Then only you can buy this product. Guys, next product is 10% niacinamide serum with zinc. Basically this is for acne marks and sebum control production. I have quite open pores over here. This actually makes your pores to close a little bit, and the sebum controls a little bit, and the acne marks. You guys know that I have quite a bit of acne marks. It's been 4-5 days I've started using it. My acne marks usually fades away really very slowly, but this made my acne marks to fade away really fast. I really love the effect of it, and this absorbs into skin really very fast, and they are I really loved it. And this also costs you around $5.99. This is also a 30 ml of product. This also comes in the glass box, and this doesn't have any color on it. This is pure transparent serum which just absorbs really quickly. I really loved it. You can try this if you aren't using any HA/BHA product. You can use this. If you are using HA/BHA product, please be very careful. It may react on your skin. So people with oily skin, acne prone skin, sebum control, open pores, you can just go for this. Next is Saint Botanica products. I'll just show you. This just came in this box. These are Saint Botanica products. I think during Holi we had buy 2 get 2 free, and I am a sucker of sales, you guys. I don't buy anything without when there is no sale, until and unless it is really very important for me. I buy everything when there is sales. Basically that is me. So guys, the first thing which I really loved about this is Saint Botanica Radiant Glow Moisturizer. Basically this is pomegranate moisturizer. This has the best thing which I loved is this has SPF of 30, which is both UVA and UVB rays. Most of the moisturizer which has SPF doesn't have UVB rays also. They just contain UVA rays, which actually really you just need UVB rays also in your sunscreen. If you want more information on sunscreen, I have made a video on sunscreen. I'll just link this in the I button. You can just check it out. The MRP of this is $8.39. Dabba looks, it's not glass, but it looks really very luxurious. 60 ml of products, which is really great, and this is not that thick, not that thin formula. It has really very mild smell. It has a good strong pomegranate smell, I can say, and it doesn't leave any white cast when you apply it. Just one pump, and for me just one and a half pump really goes well to my whole face. So next, you guys, this antioxidant facial oil. This is about 20 ml of product, and the MRP is $6.49, and it has almost all kind of oils, you guys. This is how the product looks. You just need one pump, that's all. You just need one pump, and one pump goes really good for my skin, actually my face. And I think I have just used once, and morning my face was really good. It was brightening. Next is this retinol's face pack. This is anti-aging face pack. This has hyaluronic acid, retinol, vitamin C, E, milk protein, and natural extract. Retinol is actually an anti-aging property because it takes out your wrinkles and fine lines. It is really good for your wrinkles and fine lines. That's why I just got this. I mean, like applying anti-aging mask once in a while, obviously. So at that time, let me feel, you know, when I just feel my skin is really dry, I will use this kind of face packs. Costs you around 639 rupees. This is how the box looks. It really looks luxurious, and I haven't used this yet. So next, last product, you guys, this is a hair oil from Saint Botanica. This is Go Anti-Hair Fall Hair Oil. This is infused with Root Biotech 3%, Redensil, ginseng oil, black seed oil, and other plant-based oils. This costs you 749 rupees. This is about 150 ml. The nice thing is it has this comb also with the bottle, so you can just use it directly, and if you can't massage by yourself, you can just massage it with this comb like this. It just gives you that massage thing, which helps to circulate your blood really well. This is how the bottle looks. I haven't used it yet. This also has a lot of oil, you guys. That's why I just got it. I usually mix those kind of oil, lavender, you know, rosemary, everything, but all oil is in this, so I thought why not I just give it a try. So yes guys, that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you like it, please give a like to this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and press that bell icon button next to subscribe button, so that whenever I upload a video, you'll get a notification. I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.